Get only new lines from file. Currently I have this piece of code, but it reads all lines, and then watch the file with the while true statement. I actually only need new lines coming after the lines already detected when opening the file. Anybody who can help me out? Maybe a better way to watch it as well than with the while statement? Another problem is that on Linux machines the script is actually locking the file so it cannot be written to before I close the script again. On OS X it works fine. Could also be nice with an idea to work around this. Hope there is somebody out there who have been working with something similar.
You could initially read the file completely, then close it, and keep a change monitor over it. This monitor is implemented below using polling. But you could also use tools like those described at detect file change without polling.
Try this.
Ja, oder ein Stück Leute, der Verkauf